So this is the easiest square that we're going to do. So basically we're just knitting everything. So what I tend to do is I tend to cast on 40 stitches and just knit for 80 rows. So it's basically 40 rows a side. You can count 40 this way, and that's how you know you've enough. It's a really good one for like your corners or for the sides because it lies flat. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is cast on our 40 stitches. So I have shown how to do this in the first video of the series. So 1, 2. You also have the option of when you're casting on, if you use a slightly smaller needle, so say 3.5, this will increase the tension of your first row of knitting, which sometimes can be looser and can lead to an uneven looking square. Okay, so this should be the last few we're casting on. Okay, so that's 40. Right, so as I said, this is the absolutely easiest square you can do. We're literally just going to knit everything and knit for 80 rows. So it's a little bit boring, can take a while, but it's super easy and it's a really good one if you're just starting out. Get you a little bit more confident with the knit stitch. So if you want to do a plain knit stitch square, you can either just use plain wool, like use any kind of wool, or you can use something variegated, or you can mix and match, whatever looks best for you. Okay, so I'm going to come back to you when I'm nearly done with this. So I'm just finishing up the last few stitches here. And now we're going to bind them off. Okay, the last few stitches here. And then at the very end, we leave a bit of a tail so we can sew it in. And we just pop that through. Now, the next bit is the fun bit, is where we try and hide these tails, because we don't really want these tails in our project. So I like to use a crochet needle. I just pop it in through, take it in. I do maybe 5 or 6 of these and then just cut it off. Okay, I'm going to weave the other side now. Just a little bit, I find this one a little bit trickier.